Do you know many people are having trouble with connecting Bluetooth devices? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Enable Bluetooth. First, open your Start menu, head to Settings, and activate the Bluetooth option on your ZenBook Duo. Step 2. Turn on keyboard. Now, switch on your Bluetooth keyboard and make sure it is in pairing mode, often indicated by a blinking light. Step 3. Search devices. Back on your laptop, stay in Bluetooth settings and choose Add a device to let your computer search for nearby devices. Step 4. Select keyboard. Scroll through the list of available devices to find your keyboard and click on it to start connecting. Step 5. Finalize pairing. Follow any prompts that come up, such as entering a code, to finalize the pairing of your keyboard. Follow these steps and you'll have your Bluetooth keyboard and ZenBook Duo connected in no time. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Asus users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.